I just heard the speech from Roger Federer. I really loved it. So he talks about three lessons that he learned in life. So the first lesson he says is everything came easy to you. So if there is a person sitting in Google as a headache, the best way to look at that person and say, hey, it just came so easy to you. But it's not that way. That's what he says. He says everything requires discipline, perseverance, hard work, learning, knowledge to get where you are. Don't think that it's easy for some people and it's tough for some people. Everyone
Yeah.
goes through the same struggle. The second thing that he speaks of is failure. He's a world champion and he talks about failure, and failure is something that you have to learn to accept. So the contract job that I moved from contract to full time, it didn't come to me like that. I failed in multiple interviews, and every interview I would think, why did I fail in that interview? What was that I didn't touch upon? What was he expecting from me? So failure is constant, but what you learn from failure and move up is what is imperative. And the third thing he talks about is you have to take it easy. You have to not just be worried about your career, take it a little more easy. You do a lot of learning, not just through reading, but through also your experiences. Also with your surrounding, your people, your parents, your friends. So while you're in your career race, don't forget all that, because that's also equally. I would like to add one more thing is attitude. I think a lot of companies today can groom people in their skill, but what they can't groom them is in their attitude. It's very difficult to change a person's attitude and their willingness to learn. And they're sitting there and thinking, I am the best, I know it all. That will not really make you reach where you are. Of course, you are the best and you know it all. You have to have that confidence, but at the same time, you have to have the hunger to learn and push yourself high.